Hello, and welcome to this demonstration of the MPS 400 equipment here at GBSIoT. This system is meant to represent a smaller Industry 4 system. It's the same or similar technology that we find in our larger CP lab or CP factory systems, but here in a more compact demonstration format. The system is comprised of 4 individual stations. First, we have a distribution station, then a joining or pick and place station, then a measurement station, which can perform both height and weight measurement, and then finally a sorting or distribution station. The entire system is controlled by this series of touchscreens. We can see already that we have an overview of our system so that we can see what should happen during our production process. I can choose to move over to my parts library, and here I can see a variety of different products which I'm able to manufacture using this system. We'll take this red workpiece as an example. We can see already the different production process steps that we're going to go through. We'll start producing this and watch it as it goes through its production life cycle. First, a product will be dispatched. Each individual workpiece contains an RFID, so we can track what happens during the production. We can see step 1 is completed and we've moved on to step 2. Step 2 is our joining process, so now we see that a lid is placed onto our product. Step 3 is that we're going to perform both a height and weight check. The machine will pick up the product and move it to the height check, where a vertical cylinder with an IO-link potentiometer will assess the height. We can see that the screen above shows us the current height reading. Next, we move on to the weighing scale. Here, again, we will notice that the screen above will give us an indication of the weight of each product. Assuming that both the height and weight are within the tolerances described within our computer system, we will then come to the final stage in the process, the sorting station. Here, depending on the system colour or from the MES, we can describe where the final product will end up. We really hope you've enjoyed this demonstration of the MPS 400 system here at GBSIoT.